Inspired by the Sufis' begging bowl and our heartfelt sense of urgency to bring Kurdish and Iraqi culture to a global and wider audience, Kashkul was founded over a decade ago. Founded in 2016 at the American University, Kashkul works at the nexus of cultural creation and preservation, believing them to be intrinsically linked. While current emphasis includes oral history collections and amplifying existing preservation regional efforts, we also work on literary translation. Kashkul has a storied history of curating groundbreaking arts exhibitions, hosting local and international artists, and facilitating a robust slate of events at AUIS and beyond. This summer, we're happy to announce that we have published 2 books in the US by a US-based publisher, Deep Vellum. The first one is The Potato Eaters, translated by Dr. Marie Lebras, Kashkul's founding director, and J.R. Homer. The book recently got featured in a book review in the Wall Street Journal as one of the books that people should be reading this summer. The second book is Refugee 33,333, translated by Shuk and Pishtiwan Kamal, which is a collection of poems translated from Kurdish into English, also published by Deep Vellum in the US.
پەتاتە خۆراکان کۆمەڵە چیرۆکێکی دکتۆر فەرات پیرباڵە پێکهاتووە لە 15 چیرۆک. ئەم وەرگێڕانە 5 ساڵی خایاندووە و چیرۆکێکی ناو ئەم کتێبە وەک یەکێک لە باشترین وەرگێڕانەکان بۆ سەر زمانی ئینگلیزی هەڵبژێردراوە. پاش هەفتەیەک لە بڵاوبوونەوەی ڕەخنەگری ئەمریکی سام ساکس وتارێکی لەبارەی ئەم کۆمەڵە چیرۆکەوە لە ڕۆژنامەی واڵ ستریت لە ئەمریکا بڵاو کردوتەوە، هەروەها ئێستا یەکێکە لە پڕفرۆشترین کتێبەکان لە ئەمەزۆن.